What's going on, guys? Hope all is good. Just wanted to show you my performance at the karaoke bar again. Yes, I did go there again. I did sing one of Bob Marley's songs again. I love that guy, man. You know what? God rest his soul. He's the best singer, reggae artist, and I just love his songs, and I'm pretty sure you guys love it too. So you're gonna see that performance. But first, I want to let you know about two things. First thing, my single is going to get mastered now. It's actually in the works of getting mastered. I just sent it today, so fingers crossed it's going to be launched on July 10th. And you guys are going to get the chance to see it. So make sure you follow me on Spotify, Apple Music, Google Play, Deezer. So check me out there. Make sure you follow me there on the streaming sites. And second thing, I thought I released this song, I'll Give You the World, which is supposed to be released last year. And I, for some reason, thought that it was online already. But when I checked today, in regards to uploading my new single, New Beginnings, I saw it wasn't there. And I couldn't believe it wasn't there. So anyways, I re-uploaded that track again on all the streaming sites like Google Play, Apple Music, and Spotify. So this is it right here. You can check it out. It's called I'll Give You the World. And let me know. I actually did upload it. I hope it's uploaded by now if you're watching this video. Yeah, you know what? Let me know if there's any issues with that, okay? So anyways, without further ado, here is my performance with of Bob Marley, Three Little Birds, all right? Take care.
This is my message to you.